Okay, so let me give my read. Echo again, give me 1 second. Okay, there you go. So let me give my read on what's going on here. So tomorrow there's gonna be a news, so I don't think that nothing more is gonna happen today. What happened happened. Couple of things here. Let me go. So tomorrow these are I'm gonna put that right. So tomorrow 8:30 is the core CPI, and this is going to probably make a move either to the upside or to the downside tomorrow. The rest of the day today I think it's going to be a little bit quiet. I'm leaning towards the bearish side or sideways. Market moved already. Let me check here. So ES has been in this range here within the 15-minute range. Try to made an attempt to go down. You have 3 bars here off of the week of the 21. There's 1 week over the 21 there and another one there. So then market failed to go. We do have a second entry, first entry long right here that went up, and it's in the range again. So if we do look at the point and figure here, if we go to the point and figure here, let me expand this. I do have a couple of interesting points here or interesting levels. So this one here is the resistance based basically on that level from yesterday. If we look at right here, there is another one. There's a range here. I would say that these levels are correct. 1520, 1520, and then this one is around 4540. I mean 4520, 4540. I would say that probably there's another resistance or support level down below here. And but we are crossing above this, so I would say that we are kind of in a short-term uptrend, but there's definitely there's some resistance at this level up here and then up above. I don't know, I think it's gonna move sideways all the way through tomorrow. Then NQ, you know, MNQ here, there's a couple of entries that I had here. I thought that this was going to break to the upside on the off of this level here, but we were in the middle of the range. If you see the point and figure also, I do have this overnight range, so that gives the extension, and this one is giving the extension to the downside. My levels here were this here up, so you have that level there, 15,700, and this one is 15,578, so something like that. Then it crossed below. It's in the red zone, so this one, I mean in the green zone, which is a reversal zone, but it failed to cross above, and then we are below the 10-day moving average right there. So I think that it's going to, I mean, there's a lot of support here, given all of this congestion here. There's a lot of support, but it hasn't crossed above these 10 days, and it has not crossed above this resistance level yet. It's trying to, but it has not been able to do it. Okay, so that would be NQ. In gold, I was waiting, and if you have seen a couple of videos from me, I was waiting for this level here to be broken, right? And it was broken right overnight, all the way down here. So now there's nothing much to do here. You know, all the move happened overnight here by crossing this. Let me see. See, I had this level marked down here. This was my level here, and it made a wick out of the 34. Kind of, I started the move, started right here. I had a red entry right there, a bearish entry, and moved down, then went up, and then started to move down again. So, you know, this area here was broken. Now it's served as a resistance, and then came back down. But you know, at this point, when the market opened today, there's nothing much to do here. I believe that I put an entry. Yes, I did put an entry right there. That was good until that level right there. So, and then came back, and this, the second contract was a break even plus 2 ticks to the downside right there. So I made money on this one here. But there's nothing much to do here. Only wait for the move to continue moving to the downside, I believe. Right now the momentum is to the upside. There's gonna be a move to the downside and continue, but it's a little bit late already. So to 12:38. The move happened actually during the overnight, so not much to do there. And you see that we are breaking. We are right at the 10. Let's open this one. This one is interesting to see. So point and figure is moving to the downside here now. For me to be very convinced that this one is going to continue, is that it's going to break this level down below here. So as I said, it already moved all of these levels, all of this level right there, all of this moved there, and so I missed it. Now it's in compression. So nothing to do there. And my other friend is crude. Crude has had a fantastic move to the upside. I think that if we see this, crude has moved 2.1%, so 1.84 dollars to the upside. Nothing to do here either. I mean, it's already gone. And the move here happened again a little bit overnight, and then there was some congestion here. Very tough to trade today in crude. When crude is it's gone, I think that probably that one would be a good entry. Yeah, this one was a good entry. the momentum indicator is within the level, and then turning to the green side again. So that was a good move, but you could have been chopped out. There is a bearish. There was a bearish divergence there. But the price is above the moving averages, and so when it came back down and visit again this area here, moved to the upside. Same here, but crude has already moved, so for me it's gone already. Nothing to do in there. Overnight again, there was a couple of really nice moves to the upside, right there and right there. Oh, this one was at 7 a.m. 8 a.m. I was not looking at the computer then. See, okay, so yeah, that's what I have for now. Remember that there is a 80% discount on Apex. The description has the link there, so check it out. I don't see any comments or questions in the chat, so I'm going to go back to the music and mute myself. Okay, so it seems that we are in a trend reversal breakout. And the first one was actually right here. Oh, let me go back to the display. Um, the first one was right here. And yeah, there we go. So the first trend reversal breakout was right here. So you get that move to the downside, then it moved to the upside here, came back down, and then broke this line right here. And so that was a trend reversal breakout right there. This one doesn't qualify because this one is actually a lower low right here. So what we want to see in a breakout is what we want to see in a trend reversal breakout is a higher low, right? So we do have move to the downside, then it go or it's making lower highs and lower lows, then it goes up, then goes a little bit down, and then up again, and there you go. So the break off of that line there, or that pivot, is a trend reversal breakout. And we had one here, and also we had it in the green zone right here, which is also helpful. Moved a little bit, above the cloud, but then it started to chop. And as I said before, I would expect that this one is going to continue chopping for the rest of the day. Let me go back and show you the this higher time frame. So I do plot the right here, and here I do have the 15 minutes. Now in this one here I do have 30 minutes, right? So this is my higher time frame. So 15 minutes is sideways, it's in between the moving averages. They are not stacked there. That's the reason why this is stacked. EM is in green, I mean in gray. So we are below the 50 EMA, and here we are also in congestion. We are consolidating or in compression. So the market moved already to the downside and then started to compress. So we are in compression in the higher time frame. In NQ, I'm a little bit bearish, but you see that candle on the 15 minutes here. That one, so found some support here, and buyers came in and started to buy all the way up until these moving averages. Okay. Guys, if you are in the call or make a comment, or like the video or like the stream, that would be helpful. This is the second one I do in a row, so in 2 days in a row, so I don't know if I'm doing a good job or not, and it would be good if you can give me some feedback. Okay, so this on the 13 minutes in NQ, this one, it looks bearish, right? So you can see that it's moving to the downside. Whatever we enter here, it's going to be a counter trend trade to the downs to the upside if we do it. Now gold already, as I said before, made the move overnight, and now in the 15 minutes, which is again this one here, 15 minutes, it is actually bearish. You know, all the moving averages are to the downside, especially this one here, which is the 50. Seems that it's breaking now to the downside. There's a bear flag right there that it's being broken. Now momentum is to the upside right there, so this one would be a riskier trade. I'm not going to take any more trades today. I'm going to wait till tomorrow to see if there's going to be further move. I'm looking at my other charts. Give me 1 second. Yeah, okay. So I'm back. Crude made a move already, and now it's been chopping there. So it was moving, broke the previous at 8:30, broke to the upside and kept moving all the way up there. So now it's extended. Nothing to do there. Okay. I'm gonna go back to music. Thank you so much for watching. Well, it seems that crude is breaking to the upside. There was a week out of the 34 right here to continue the move to the upside. Little bit too extended for me. The move already happened. I'm not risking it. I need to see that it's coming back, and probably it will not do it, but I wanted to go back to participate again. I did buy it early though. I made some little money right here in this move from here to 89. Where was it? Yeah, from here to there, and then came back. So I was stopped out at break even, but made a little bit of money right there. Remember, today is the last day of Apex discount of 80%. They do have it from time to time. This one started a couple of weeks ago and ends up today at midnight. So make sure to check them out, and if the prop firm is for you, then this would be a good alternative for you to get some free risk trades there. It's price is fair. Okay, it seems that we had a nice run, trend reversal breakout in the 15 minutes and also in the 30 minutes. Let me show my monitor there. Which one is it? This one, I believe. Yeah. So lower highs and lower lows going this way here, then move to the upside, and then move back to the downside right there to a break, and that would be a trend reversal breakout on the 15 minutes. Kind of similar for the 30 minutes. Still moving up. This one is a very bullish, strong move, counter trend trade in the higher time frame. Still some resistance, I would say, up here. In the ES, nice move to the upside. Cross the 50 moving average all the way up, and now it's in the upper side of the range that I defined initially. So nice move there. Crude continues moving higher. Found some buyers at the 89.10 level in 89.17, and it's moving up. 89.17 and the 30 minutes make a nice bull flag going up. Right now it's $2.03 up right there. So, nice moving in crude again. And gold is stocked, so nothing, not doing anything there. Okay, so the chop continues. It moved to the upside. Very nice move right here in NQ, and then coming back right there to the range. This would be the range right there. So it's coming back into the range there. As I said, I don't see that the market is going to be directional now. You see how it goes from over bought in the uh, momentum to oversold in the momentum. So I mean, it's very, very choppy, I would say. There are some good moves, but I don't feel confident to take any of this in expectation or waiting for it to for tomorrow's news at 8:30. So I'm gonna leave it there, and I'm gonna end the stream now. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of the day.